Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP. And today on Partner Talks, I have a special guest, Dmitry Katson, who is also an MVP. So, Dmitry, tell the people who you are and what you do.
Hi, great to meet you. Yeah, I'm Dmitry Katson, and I've been working with the Business Central since 2004, so it's almost 20 years in the fields. My journey began as a customer support engineer. Then I moved to the developer, uh, to the partner and worked as a developer there. Then I was the company owner, so I run my own company, and now I work independently on myself. So my passion has always been on combining AI and Business Central. I started speaking about this in Directions in Hague almost 7 years ago. And I was truly honored to receive the MVP in the Business Central field in 2018. And now this year, I also was awarded AI category.
That's great, Dmitry. So, tell us a little bit about your practice, your business today, and the type of work you do.
So I currently work independently, focusing on development in AL. I also run the Central Queue AI search. This is the community project that I run. This is the first AI search tool for the Business Central, and I use like the whole community knowledge, blogs, YouTube videos, tweets, whatever, to generate the instant answers for the BC question. And also, I made the Central Queue chat app, which is available in the App Source for the Business Central. And this was actually the first AI chat for the Business Central, released last year, even before the Microsoft Copilot chat. And the key difference is that my solution allows users to integrate their own private knowledge, like instructions or even convert page script to the user manuals using AI. And the users can ask specific questions about their Business Central implementation with a custom setup, with a custom extensions, and so on. So all these AI-generated answers has the links to the sources, making it a very good tool for the users' self-support.
So, Dmitry, with the type of work you're doing, you're probably going to have some pretty interesting sessions at the Directions conference. So, let's talk a little bit about what you're going to be presenting and what people will learn.
These directions, because I have 3 sessions. The first one, which is called Uncharted Territory Beyond Copilot with the Donna Sarkar. It's interesting. We met Donna last year for the first time face to face, and we had a great small talk together. And now we have a session. So the idea came to me this summer when I realized that many partners already have explored or tried Copilot and even developed their own. So it's now time to look a little bit ahead and imagine the future. And the best way to imagine the future is actually to invent it. So we, with the Dawn, we will showcase a very cool demos that will push boundaries, something like autonomous agents that can learn from their own mistakes. It's a kind of visionary session, but also a technical one, because we will use currently available tools and frameworks to build that, I think, next big thing in the Business Central and AI. The second session, which has a big name, which is called Microsoft Presents Co-Development, the Business Application on GitHub, the Copilot feature, with a Jasper Schultz from Microsoft. So this is the joint session with Microsoft. We will dive deep into the open source journey and exploring how I turned a small weekend demo into the core feature, which is called Number Series Copilot, which is currently implemented in the Business Central version 25. So it's a session for anyone who thinks they cannot make a big impact. You will see that this is all entirely possible. And the third one, it's called Hey Copilot, how is my Business Central doing? I'm especially proud about this. We will present with Waldo, also known figure in our community. This will be a very long, almost 2 hours technical session focused on the Copilot that handles the Business Central performance question using telemetry. So if you want to get like production-ready Copilot, this session is for you. So I really encourage you to join because we put so much effort with Waldo into this session. And Waldo, who is the telemetry guru, brings his deep knowledge. And I will combine this with the AI knowledge, and we will create something truly powerful and exciting. And plus, I think this will have a lot of fun there.
So, when I start to hear, these types of sessions, it's even more evidence that, if you're in the Business Central business, you really need to get to Directions because there's nowhere else you're going to get this kind of education and get to meet people like yourself who are doing, the cutting edge of AI in Business Central.
Yeah, I truly, can confirm this. And I think that Directions is very special because it's like intense few days dedicated to sharing knowledge and learning. And I am, very passionate about learning new things and sharing them with the new people. And also, it's a perfect place to meet old friends and like making new connections, make new friends. But also, it's a great time to meet Microsoft, and you want to complain to something directly to the engineers, but also you can suggest improvements to the Business Central. And I can tell you that they are really listening.
Okay, Dmitry, I want to thank you for joining us on Partner Talks, and I look forward to meeting you in Vienna in just a couple of weeks.
It's great. I would very much looking into that, Rick, and would like to meet you. And also, if you want to meet me, join my sessions, or you can always meet me somewhere between the sessions or even in the party. Yeah, so yeah, let's do this.
Okay, thank you, Dmitry. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Thanks. Bye.